In the bustling city of Nanyang, during the Eastern Han Dynasty, 25 to 220 AD, a man named Cai Lun walked the streets, oblivious to the monumental impact he would have on the world. Cai Lun, a humble eunuch, served as the minister of works under the imperial court. He was a man of curiosity, always seeking ways to improve the lives of the people. One day, he found himself pondering the inefficiencies of the writing materials available. Paper in the ancient world was made of bamboo strips or silk. While these materials were durable, they were expensive and time-consuming to produce. Cai Lun, however, saw an opportunity for innovation. He began experimenting with different materials, combining mulberry bark, hemp, and fishing nets. After numerous trials and errors, he discovered a unique mixture that was both sturdy and affordable. His breakthrough came when he invented a new process for making paper. He beat the mixture with a wooden mallet, strained it through a sieve, and then dried it under the sun. This process, combined with his innovative mixture, resulted in a new material that was revolutionary. Cai Lun presented his invention to the emperor He, who was so impressed that he granted him the title Great Inventor. The first paper mill was established, and soon, paper spread throughout the empire, revolutionizing the way information was shared. The impact of Cai Lun's invention was profound. Paper made knowledge more accessible, leading to a cultural renaissance in China. It allowed for the mass production of books, spreading ideas and knowledge far and wide. Cai Lun's invention also had a global influence. The invention of paper in China would eventually spread to other parts of the world, transforming the way cultures documented history, art, and literature. Cai Lun's story serves as a reminder of the power of innovation. In a world where resources were scarce, he found a way to create something that would change the world for generations to come. His pioneering spirit and unwavering dedication to improving the lives of others left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire us today.